Hey guys, we got a request to do this, not just a breakdown on screen, but in person. So we're gonna do this simple move, and Rhiannon is helping me with this video.
Hi.
So here's the move. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here's how we do the move.
So yeah, we're going to start with a half basic and then a simple wrap turn. And for the follow, when you do the wrap turn, you're just going to want to make sure that you're seeking connection with your partner, which simply means I'm going to be turning in my frame as far as it can go before I'm blocked by my partner's chest.
Right. Now the concept is opposite. So I'm going to do a body roll with the intention of going up because I'm going to go down and my weight is now in my hip.
Yeah, and for the follow, you're just going to follow that motion. You should be able to feel it through your frame. And as Kevin said, we're both ending up sinking into our hips as far as we can go.
So we've gone down, and now we're going to send her up and forward. And all we're going to collect and step back into her line. Ready on 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it from another angle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The body roll, 2, 3, 4, down. And this is the most important part. This is what makes it feel nice. I'm not pushing her. I'm only extending my arm. So here, I'm extending my arm while at the same time moving my weight back. So literally, what I'm doing after the body roll is I'm only extending my frame, but at the same time I'm moving my weight backward. So I'm not pushing her, I'm only extending my frame, and when I collect, I'm gathering my frame back, step into her line, tap.
Yeah, so from that lead, I can feel most of it through Kevin's inner forearm here against my back. And so that's where that lead is coming from, and it's giving me the momentum to go outwards. So from the body roll. So when I go outwards, I'm also asked to go upwards because we started low, and he's giving me momentum upwards as well as forwards, which means I'm going to go from sitting in my body roll to extending my legs, and then I'm also going to bring my left leg to meet my right. This gives it that counterbalance effect. I'm ever so slightly leaning forward, and it also just makes it look cleaner and nicer. And then with my right hand, I can also choose to style this. So I'm just going to extend my arm out, twist my hand, and then when Kevin steps back on my line, I'll just bring it back towards me. I'm going to step back on my left, and then tap on my right.
And I'm letting go of her hand. Letting go of her hand so she can come back here, and then we're going to the basic.
Awesome.
All right.
So here it is with music.
So